With regards to entry and exit points to the state, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the construction of these points still continues. Out of 51 locations, 24 have been identified for construction of such points within the state of Meghalaya. While talking about the point at Umling in Ribhoi district, he stated that it will also act as a facilitation centre and is expected to be completed by the end of November 2020. As per Rule 8 of the MRSSA, the government has appointed officers to take care of the centre. The Chief Minister also mentioned that a total of Rs 2.5 crores has been sanctioned by the central government towards pre-construction activities of the same centre.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the government of Meghalaya has not stopped the construction of the entry point at Umling, as per the reports in the newspaper. In fact, the work for the construction of the facilitation center at Umling has already started and is due to be completed by November 2020. Mr. Speaker, sir, the government of Meghalaya has prioritized the setting up of the entry point at Umling in Ribhoi, as it is one of the main entry points to the state of Meghalaya. It was with this in mind that the land belonging to the Transport Department at Umling was identified in 2019. Once the facilitation center is ready and notified as per the provisions of subsection 1 of section 17 of the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016, the district task force will designate the officials who will be in charge of the facilitation center as per Rule 8 of the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Rules 2017, which will comprise officials from police, tourism, and other relevant departments. The facilitation center will also house officials from the health department for COVID-19 screening.